How to change your YouTube handle name more than 2 times after 14 days. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube handle name. Even if you have edited or changed your name more than 2 times in 2 weeks. So YouTube only supports that and you cannot do that. So you cannot change your YouTube handle name after going on the YouTube application right there, because YouTube has no feature like that for you to change it. The very simple thing that you can do is go on the Google Chrome or your preferred browser. So any browser you can choose it and you will see an interface. If you can see the option of URL right there, then do tap on it. If you don't see it, then on the top search bar, you can simply search for YouTube handle. After searching for YouTube handle, you will see many options right here like handle overview. So it shows how you can edit your channel name and how you can edit your name right here. Just tap on manage your YouTube channel basic info and tap on Android. After you do that, you can simply tap on the name option and you can simply change the name of your YouTube just like that. So you can also go on the channel URL and change that and just follow the information given right there. So do follow it and see if it works or not. I hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then you can simply subscribe and like our channel and also do comment on the comment section below.